Flowering quince is another great early spring flowering shrub, and because it's an early spring flowering shrub, we know the best time to prune it is after it flowers. So you can see it's got flowers on it right now, so after these start fading, that's when we'll go ahead and take it back to a little bit to manage the size. Now typically it will reach maturity about 4 to 5 feet high and wide, as you can see. Because it has dense shrub growth, it makes an excellent plant for wildlife, especially birds, to kind of take shelter in throughout the different seasons. Now this particular quince is actually one from the Double Take series, which is a popular series because it does not have thorns and it will not produce the quince fruit that you often see. It also has these lovely double flowers on here that almost resemble a camellia. Once the Double Take series is established, they're also pretty drought tolerant as well. Flowering quince come in a variety of colors, including the scarlet that you see here, but they also come in orange, peach, and a pink color. They tolerate most soils, but actually prefer a well-drained soil. And of course, they need full sun, but can be pushed a little bit into the shade. Flowering quince are hardy from zones 5 to 9 and make a great shrub to add to your landscape.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.